In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted Snapchat account after 30 days, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type snapchat.com/support and click on search. Now scroll down and click on contact us. Then select this option that says I cannot access my account. Now scroll down and click on the last option. I see an error message when I log in. Scroll down one more time and in front of this still need help option, click on yes. Okay, now in order to recover your deleted Snapchat account, you need to fill out this form. So first enter your Snapchat account username. After that, you need to enter the email address and the mobile number that was linked with your Snapchat account. Then enter the device on which you are using Snapchat. And in this second last box, you need to mention the date on which you started facing the issue. And in this final description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you deleted your Snapchat account and now you want to recover it. Personally, I would suggest that you just copy paste the paragraph that I have given in description below. Once you have done that, tap on the submit option. And after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted Snapchat account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.